Hi. Well, we're coming in on Bonita Street. We're not very far from almost anything, shopping, all kinds of cool stuff. Parks over here, parks over there, boat ramps down there. But what we have here is this paved road all the way to the water. There's a 50-foot easement. Everybody access that lives on this road. But from here down, they put in the controlled gates. There's a remote. Everybody that's on the road has an app on their phone. Everybody has their own code to get in. You can look at it, it's under surveillance, so you can watch. So it's kind of like being in a secure neighborhood without having the HOA. Everybody just kind of all hangs out and helps each other. So when you look down here, you can see the rocket launch from here. We were here today and watched the rocket launch. Just amazing. We have this house, two more down there, and then the large waterfront house. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're taking a look at all of these properties. This is an incredible spot. Hi, welcome. We're at 132. Now, you look on down this way, down the end of the road is house number one, the big waterfront one, house number two, which is the brand new construction one. And now we're house number three. And then just beyond us on the other side is house number four. Every one of these houses, notable to all have keypads. You're going to love this. It's totally remodeled. I love the way they did this electric fireplace, the two desks set up right there. It is fully furnished. You could use it as part of the family compound. Come on through. We're going to look at this part of the house first. We're going to go on this side, then we're going to slide over that way. Closet. But surprise, it is your second bath. And we're talking about all this slat roofing, kind of gives you that Bahama feeling. Got yourself a little cottage going on. All these solid panel doors too. There's your linen closet here. Coat closet, linen closet. Bedroom. How cute is this? This is one of my favorites. Each one of the bedrooms all the rooms have fans. Look at this giant double linen closet. Lots of stuff going on. We got bedroom number two. Oh, I can see chickens outside. Now, this one I love because it has the slat walls on the walls and in the ceilings, just like as you come running through here. Again, the brand new doors, it's move-in ready. Isn't it amazing? Master suite, big room, master bath, big walk-in lighted closet. Whoops, we're not going to peek too much in there. And check out that giant shower. How cool is that? Come on through. Get a little setting area here. Fresh paint, fresh floors. You got your breakfast bar, granite countertops, little dinette area, great little screen porch. Look at this. Lots of room. And then out back, this was a raised garden bed. And then look, there's a papaya tree back there. Look at the size of that papayas. And there are papayas in the tree waiting. I used to make this wonderful fresh green papaya salad. Pull them off and take a carrot peeler. Oh, it's yummy. It's absolutely yummy. But check out, these have lots of space here. And I love all the flowers and plants behind there. And then we're going to step on through. Now, the floor is higher because this is up on a crawl space, all right? Just so you know. Granite kitchen, new appliances. Step down here, washer and dryer. Laundry room, step down here. And check out this extra pantry. Come on. We have another door. Take you outside. Step, step. Go check out the garden. We go. Lots of room. Back it up. Here we go. We're going to go into the garage. I guess I better pull instead of push, huh? Big car garage, pull, big attic access. Lots of room. What?
You said this one's fully furnished, right?
Yeah, it does. I mean, well, we're going to have to talk to him and find out what he wants to do with his extra board toy stuff. All right. So we're going to talk about all the furniture and all that sort of stuff. Just give me a call. There's lots of questions, lots of ideas, lots of thoughts that go into all of these. Make sure you go download that property information package because there's a lot of construction data there. There's 4-point inspections there. You could find lots of answers to your questions, and we're here to help you do all that. So remember, we're going to start with the big house. Number 2, number 3, number 4. 4 properties. They're all going to sell individually. And there is so much great stuff. And one last thing. Look down there. You can see the rocket launches from your front porch. How cool is that? Bright lights and breezes. Here I am on the Indian River. So I'm right in the center line. There's a 50-foot easement that, and I'm saying it's 25 feet out here. Whee! Down it goes all the way back up to Highway US Route 1, all the way up here. And everybody who lives on this road has deeded access as part of their easement right down to this waterway. Isn't that fun? So this has been quite the adventure. Here I am on the Indian River telling everybody, make sure you download the property information package. Lots of data, lots of information, great opportunity. Right across from here is Cape Canaveral, where you can watch the rocket launches go up. This takes you out into the ocean. You got your causeways on both sides, easements all the way through. So much to offer. Be sure to check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. See ya. Happy bidding. Bye.